Hi guys, it's Mark from anypond.com. We're a trusted resource in the UK for ponds and water features, and what we're doing today is we're building a water feature. It's going to be a millstone. The first job is to basically dig a hole for the Aqua Blocks, and what we're going to do is, you can see this square that I've marked out, so we're going to basically take this right down. The hole is going to be about 4 inches below the grass level. So what we're doing is we're putting in a waterproof liner, then we're going to put in 2 Aqua Blocks. The pump's going to be inside the Aqua Block, and then the millstone is going to be situated on the top. We're also going to have a splash curtain that comes outside of the square hole, just to create, or just to catch that splash that comes off of the millstone. A lot of people miss that side of things, and what happens is the water splashes out and they actually think that the unit is leaking, where the liner is not leaking, but what it's doing is it's splashing out. So what we're going to do is we're going to have water bubbling up through here, and it's going to look fantastic. Let me go and get you the Aqua Blocks now, and I'll show you what we're going to put in the ground. So these are Aqua Blocks, these are standard Aqua Blocks, and what we're going to do is we're going to put these in the ground. So we're going to bury these, and they're going to be about 4 inches below this ground. So the next job is to basically dig a hole here and remove the soil and the turf, and they want to be in 5 centimetres. You see it's oversized.
Yep.
And the reason why I brought them over is because you'll use these as a guide. So I only literally want them down 4 inches. See, the blue line will disappear.
Yeah.
But if you work on the outside of the blue line.
Yep. Okay.
Good stuff. The bulk of the digging has been done now for the Aqua Block. So what we're going to actually do is we're going to carry on building the reservoir. This is Luke from Elevate Ponds. You probably saw him in last week's video helping me with the custom wildlife pond. So what we'll do now, Luke, is we'll basically chamfer off about 1 foot all the way around, sloping in, and that creates a splash curtain. And then what we can do is we basically have gravel and the millstone in the middle. The key thing with the millstone, the reservoir doesn't have to be in the right position, but the millstone has to be right, and we'll take a bit of time, we'll get a tape measure and work out where the centre point is, because what we're going to have around here, guys, is we're going to have a vegetable bed, or a number of vegetable beds, so the millstone needs to be in the centre of the paths going around the vegetable beds. Let's get cracking. You good with that?
Sounds good.
So what we've got now is we've got the pump inside the Aqua Blocks, and it comes up with this 50mm pipe, and Luke's just making sure that it's level. What we're going to do is we're going to put in some more fleece to stop the gravel from going inside the Aqua Blocks. So we're going to have obviously the overlay protecting the liner, and then we're going to have extra little bits of fleece just stopping the gravel from going inside here, because all we want to do is hold the water. It's not a filtration system or anything like that, and we want these nice and tight. What we've done is we've elevated the millstone with little bits of offcut of the Aqua Blocks, and what we'll also do is we'll make a trap door that will go into here, so we're not going to have this open void. So we'll just use another bit of Aqua Block to make another door on there. Fantastic. I'd like to thank Luke now for his help on this project, and as you can see, it looks a lot tidier. Now, if you wanted to run a mower over it, you could on a high setting, no problem, just run it over the top of the gravel. But probably what more likely to happen, because this is going to be a vegetable plot, they'll start working on the vegetable beds. If you want me to come back and show you this when it's completely finished, put it in the comment section below and I'll gladly come back and film this and film the other projects that we've gone and done. So my name's Mark, the Pond Advisor, and I'm here to support you dream, plan and enjoy ponds and water features. And until next time, get a splash pad in your garden. They're fantastic. Look, the kids can play on them and I'm a big kid.